Hey, it's Mindy with Patriot Health Alliance, and if you're like me and concerned about your health and your diet, you've probably discovered that one of the easiest, tastiest, most impactful ways to enjoy more fruits and veggies is with a smoothie. You can pack so much goodness in one little glass, whether you use fresh or frozen fruits or vegetables, or a convenient pre-mixed powder. It's the perfect treat to start your day or take the edge off that hangry feeling or slump in the afternoon. But let's face it, smoothies can be a bit of a pain, hauling out a big and often expensive blender and the cleanup. And what if you're at work or at the gym or stuck in a hotel room with no blender in sight? Isn't there an easier way? Well, let me tell you, there is. Let me introduce you to the all-new Patriot Power Blender. This little 1-pound wonder is portable, rechargeable so no cords to plug in, space-saving, and incredibly powerful. So ice, frozen foods, whatever your smoothie desires is no match, no matter where you are. The Patriot Power Blender is perfect for your morning smoothie, creamy shakes, blended coffee drinks, even a margarita at your tailgate. You'll find dozens of ways to use your Patriot Power Blender, and when you're at home, it tucks away in a drawer or cabinet with ease, no cluttering up your countertop. But because it's portable, it also slips easily into your bag or backpack so you can take it to work, to the gym, on the road, or camping. And its long-lasting battery means you can make multiple drinks with ease without worrying about losing power. Daiquiri, anyone? To use the Patriot Power Blender, just add your fruit or veggies, water, or your favorite milk. Screw on the top, push the button, that's it. And when you're done, just flip it over and use the travel base included. It's a smoothie to go. The Patriot Power Blender charges via USB, so you can recharge at home, off your laptop, in the car, or even with a portable battery pack. Now, you might see others that look like the Patriot Power Blender, but please don't accept imitations. The stainless steel blades of the Patriot Power Blender spin in an amazing 25,000 revolutions per minute. And because it holds over 14 ounces, you're going to get a refreshing, nutritious, and filling drink each and every time. Unlike ordinary blenders, cleanup is a snap. Just a bit of soap and water in the Patriot Power Blender, blend and rinse, that's it. The BPA-free, food-safe container is durable, lightweight, and even has measurements right on the side. So following any recipe is a breeze, and the built-in strainer filters out pulp if you like your drinks extra smooth. Plus, and this is important, not only is the Patriot Power Blender so easy to use, it's safe to use too, even around curious kids. The blender won't operate if the cup isn't attached, so no worries there. This is an important safety feature that you won't find on some other brands, but we wouldn't even think about not including it here. Plus, it has an automatic shutoff feature to save your battery and make sure you always get the perfect consistency. So much better than an ordinary blender, the Patriot Power Blender is easier to use, easier to clean, and easier to store. And it's the ultimate in portability. Enjoying a morning smoothie is an easy and fun way to boost your health and stick to your goals. Even if you're a frequent traveler or you find yourself craving a frosty blended drink on the road or on the go, there's no reason to ever miss out with the Patriot Power Blender. Rushing out the door? Just fill it up and go. Want to enjoy a healthy smoothie at lunch or after a workout? No problem. Maybe you want to create your own healthier salad dressings, grind your own coffee or seeds, or put together a quick 3-minute salsa for taco night. No need to break out that big old blender or food processor. Patriot Power Blender to the rescue. Having a Patriot Power Blender is a great way to get those much needed fruits and veggies into your diet. Let's face it, only 1 in 10 of us get the recommended amount. Smoothies are a great way to sneak some spinach, beets, berries, and more into your morning, and a perfect way to get more veggies into even the pickiest kids' diet. And if you take advantage of our best deals on the all-new Patriot Power Blender, we're going to make it even easier for you with some of our best-selling Patriot Power Greens and Patriot Power Protein drinks, and an all-new book of healthy and delicious smoothie recipes to make every day more healthy and delicious than the last. All the details about the Patriot Power Blender are on the page below. Check it out for yourself. Compare it to the standard blender, or even the portable competition, because really, there is no comparison. The Patriot Power Blender holds more, blends faster, is more powerful, stays charged longer, and makes it easy to just blend and go. See all the details below while we have the Patriot Power Blender in stock. I guarantee you're going to love it. But if for some reason you don't, it's backed by a 100% ironclad money-back guarantee. And when you come up with your own perfect smoothie recipe, be sure to let me know. To your health.